Welcome back to the No Capping channel. On this channel, we only discuss pretty girls and a big bank account. Let's start with the girl of the day. You got her IG. Enjoy the moment. The financial tip. The social media platforms are in war. Everybody's trying to give as much possible money for people to create shorts. TikTok is doing it. Facebook is doing it. And now YouTube is doing it. They open the funds for everybody with shorts so they can get paid with ads. For YouTube, it's the most easiest. Post an original YouTube short every 180 days. Not a TikTok video, for instance. Be at least 13 years old or the age of majority in your country. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. Live in an eligible country. It's very easy, guys. If you got a smartphone, you can fix that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. No capping.